So today I'm going to teach you guys how I made this gradebook on Excel. First off, it just kind of started off this yellow column and all of these green columns were empty. So to find the average of the quizzes, all you have to do is click on the cell, and I already did that. And then you can see up in this box up here, you would type in the equal sign, and then you can either type in average, or in this drop down box there will usually be options and you can click average. And so for this particular quiz, we wanted the average of all of these from B4 to E4. So you then, here, I'll just delete this. So then we'll do, I'll show you equals, and then I'll type in average. And then what I did was I highlighted these, type in average and then open parentheses to start which ones you want the average of. And then I'll highlight all of these because that's what we want the average, and then press enter. And you'll get 16, which is the average. The way I found the class average for each column is if you highlight the whole column, which ones you want the class average of. Let's try that again. Highlight, and then you go up to formulas, and you can press auto sum and press average, and it'll automatically show up in this bottom column right here. As you can see, it's the same kind of formula we did for this part. It's up here instead, B4 through B13. So B4 through B13 is in this column. Let's see. For this, we wanted the average of all of these columns right here. So we did kind of the same thing of you type in average, and then you can highlight all of the rows that you want in the average. And then since there was a total of 680 points in this class, in this column, to find your total points, you press the equal sign, and then you press the equal sign, and then once you start and open parentheses, it'll allow you to click each cell that you want. So I clicked equals, open parentheses, and then I did B4 plus sign, C4 plus sign, etc. And you do the same for each column, so it'll be the same here. And then in these formulas for the GPA, we basically just did, N4, so it's this column right here, divided by a total of 680, since that was, and then to change to percentages, what I did is you highlight all of the column, and then I right click and format cell, and you press percentages. Now you can do general and it'll come out as that, but we want percentage for this, and you press OK, and it'll change the whole column to percentages. To change the names to alphabetical order, what I did is you highlight the whole column, or in this case you highlight all of the information right here, because we want all of their information to travel with their names. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's try that again. We want all of the information to travel with their names. So we highlight all of it, right click, and then sort, and then A to Z, which I've already clicked, so it's already in alphabetical order. And as you can see in this view, I have my page layout. I have my name up here, my KNES 205 in section 4. Go back to normal view, and down here I made a chart of all of the class GPA for each. So in the first student got about like a 77, second student, so you can see the bars right there. And the way I did that was I just highlighted the GPA, highlight the GPA, and insert, and then I selected the you can select the different kinds of columns that you want, 2D, 3D, etc. And to add the auto filter, these drop down boxes that you can select which numbers you want to show and such. All you have to do is highlight all of this section right here, which is what we want, and then go to data and you press filter, which is already on. I already have my auto filter, so I don't need to do that. But then you press filter and these drop down boxes will show up. So that's about it.